Follow these steps to learn how to create animation effects in PowerPoint, as well as how to animate the transitions from one slide to another. Animating text or objects. Open PowerPoint. Click on the object you would like to animate. You click on text or images to animate. Go to the Animations tab. Select the animation you would like. These are split into 4 categories: entrances, exits, emphasis, and paths. The most recently selected animation will be set to that object and added to the animation pane. Click Add Animation to add extra animations to an object. Select an animation effect from the drop-down. If you attempt to add an animation without first clicking Add Animation, it will replace the existing animation instead of adding to it. Click Animation Pane. Optional. This button will bring up a panel displaying your selected animations on the right. This can be a useful tool for staying organized when working with multiple animations. Select an activation option for the animation. On mouse click, we'll hold the animation until you click the mouse. After Previous will automatically start the animation after any previous animation, or when the slide appears if there are no other animations. With Previous, we'll play the animation at the same time as the previous animation on that slide. Reorder animations. Use the arrows to move an animation earlier or later in the queue. Click Preview. This button is on the left side of the Animations tab and will run through the animations on the selected slide. Animating page transitions. Open PowerPoint. Select the slide where you want to add the transition. Go to the Transitions tab. Select a transition effect. A slide can only have one transition at a time. Click Effect Options. This button is to the right of the transitions and will list any changes you can make to how the transition occurs. Select or deselect on mouse click. When selected, the transition will not occur until you click the mouse to change slides. On mouse click is selected by default. Adjust the transition duration. A higher duration means the animation will move at a slower speed. Choose a sound effect. Choose No Sound from the same menu to remove any added sound effect. Click Preview. This button is on the left side of the Transitions tab and will display the transition and any added effects for the selected slide. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.